Hi friends, this is Vijay. Welcome to Competitors World. This is part 1 of the special session that is English. Here we will discuss some of the most important questions of the first topic that is verb. I hope this is going to be very much useful for the upcoming exams like OMC, Odisha High Court ASO, CPSC Mains and all the exams where English plays a vital role. Okay, so here I will elaborate everything in Odia. So before we start, look at this. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Okay, so what does it mean? In order to achieve success, we should put small efforts repeatedly. Okay, Rome was not built in a day. Okay, what does it mean? It means in order to achieve a big success, we have to put small efforts. So it may take some time, but finally, you will definitely achieve your goal. There is no doubt. So friends, before you start, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for regular updates by which I shall be encouraged to upload more videos. So let's start today's session. Here I will give you 30 questions and you have to write the correct option in your answer paper, and finally you have to match your answer with my answer, and at the end of this session you have to evaluate yourself and write your score in the comment box. So let's start. So the first question is, the university was found in 1950 when India was not self dependent in many aspects. Okay, so what does it mean? यूनिभर्सिटी 1950 मसीह निर्मित होता जो कौन होता इंडिया अनेक क्षेत्र में आत्मनिर्भरशील नथिला. सो ट्राई टू रीड द क्वेश्चन एंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस. ओके, सो हियर what will be the answer according to you? Where is the error? You have to find out the error. So where is the error? So the error is in option B. And what is that? The university was found. So found माने कौन? Found माने गोटे जिनस जो हजि जाइछि ताको हम पाइले सेटा कहते फाउंड. बट हियर द यूनिवर्सिटी वाज फाउंड इन 1950. आम को यूनिवर्सिटी को पाइले. सो यूनिवर्सिटी निर्मित होइतला केबे 1950 रे. 1950 रे. सो द आंसर शुड बी द यूनिवर्सिटी वाज फाउंडेड. ओके, the university was founded. So what does it mean founded? Founded means the university was established. यूनिवर्सिटी निर्मित होइतिला केबे 1950 रे. ओके, सो द एरर इज इन ऑप्शन बी. ओके, लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ही वाज बोर्न of poor parents but brought up in an affluent family. Option D, no error. Okay, so try to understand the meaning of this question. Okay, so से कौन कहूची ना, he was born of poor parents but brought up in an affluent family. ଯଦି ଆମେ ତା ମାନେ ବୁଝିବା, ତା ମାନେରୁ ଜଣାପଡ଼ୁଛି ସେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଗରିବ ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ଜନ୍ମ ହୋଇଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ତାହାର ପାଳନ ପୋଷଣ ଗୋଟେ ଧନୀ ପରିବାରରେ ହୋଇଥିଲା. ଓକେ, ସୋ where is the error according to you? So the error is in option A. Okay, he was born, BORNE. Okay, so what does it mean born? So the past participle form of beer, beer, bore, then born. Okay, the past participle form of beer is born. So what does it mean? Beer means to tolerate, ସହ୍ୟ କରିବା. So here ଆମେ କ'ଣ ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ପାଉଛେ? he was born ତା ଅର୍ଥ ସେ ଜନ୍ମ ହୋଇଥିଲା. ଜନ୍ମ ହୋଇଥିଲା means it should be born. Okay, this is also past participle form of beer. Okay, it has two past participle form, one is born and another is born. Okay, so it is born haba, BORN haba answer. So this is the error part. Okay, so move to the next question, that is question number 3. He lied on the grass for hours enjoying the cool breeze. अच्छा, रफली जति आम बुझापी चाहिए ता माने कौन ये क्वेश्चन रो? ही लाइड ऑन द ग्रास, से घास ऊपर पड़ी रहा फॉर आवर्स, घंटा घंटा धरी. एंजॉइंग द कूल ब्रिज, ठंडा ठंडा पवन को उपभोग करुला. ओके, सो ताहले कौन हम ना, आमको कौन जना पड़ी एरर कौटी अच्छी. Okay, what will be the answer according to you? So the answer will be option A. Okay, option A रे ही error अच्छी कौटी अच्छी. Let us find that error. He lied. So friends ମୁଁ तुमको lies आपण मानको lie ର यूज कहूची. So first lie दी प्रकार अच्छी यूज LIE दीटा यूज अच्छी. फास्ट lie ର ମାନେ होची मिछ. ओके फास्ट lie ର ମାନେ होची मिछ. मिछ कौन ना lie ର past tense होची lied and तार past participle फॉर्म भी होची lied LIED. ओके सेटा गला मिछ. सेकंड कौन lie ର LIE सेम स्पेलिंग बट past होची ले. ओके and past participle होची LAIN. ए लायर मीनिंग कौन ना पड़ी रहिबा. ओके सो ए क्वेश्चन कौन कहूँ ना ही लाइड ऑन द ग्रास तो मान से घास उपर पड़ी रही शोची. सो द आंसर शुड बी ए लायर पास्ट फॉर्मटा हवा कथा कौन हम ना LAY. ओके सो ए लाइड जगह आम लिखा कथा LAY. सो बुझीपारे. ओके सो दिस इज द एरर पार्ट. मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. He was so inquisitive that he rose many questions in the class. Option D, no error. So here is the error. So let us find out. Okay, he was so inquisitive. से बहुत inquisitive माने anxious जिज्ञासु जहाँ को कहती anxious थिला. Okay, that he rose many questions in the class. से बहुत आंक्सियस बा जिज्ञासु थिला माने से बहुत किसी प्रश्न पचारुथिला. सो व्हेन वेयर इज द एरर पार्ट? द एरर पार्ट इज इन ऑप्शन बी. ओके ही रोज. व्हाट डज इट मीन रोज? सो राइज र पास्ट टेंस होची रोज. ओके राइज RISE. सो राइज माने कौन? राइज र दुईटा मीनिंग अच्छी. फास्ट होची ग्रो बढ़िबा. आउ गोटे राइज माने कौन ना द सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट. आम यूज कहे द सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट सूर्य पूर्व दिगरे उदय होती. सो ये राइज मान हूँ उदय होगा. ओके आउ गोटे कौन कहे द प्राइस ऑफ पेट्रोल इज राइजिंग डे बाय डे. व्हाट डज इट मीन ना पेट्रोल रो प्राइस बढ़ुची. ओके राइज रो पास्ट टेंस होची रोज. बट इन केस ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन द आंसर विल बी रेज. ओके सो रेज माने कौन ना आम जो गोटे किसी प्रश्न पचारुचे किसी गोटे क्वेश्चन करछे सेठी आम रेज यूज करवा. सो व्हाट विल बी द पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द रेज? रेज्ड. ओके RAISED. ओके रेज्ड. ही वाज सो इनक्विजिटिव दैट ही रेज्ड मेनी क्वेश्चंस इन द क्लास. ओके सो द एरर इज इन ऑप्शन बी. इज इट क्लियर? सो मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. ड्यूरिंग द रेनी सीजन many rivers overflew their banks and caused great difficulty. Okay option D, no error. So what is the correct answer according to you? Okay during rainy season एठी तो किछि रॉन्ग नहीं. many rivers overflew their banks डाउट अच्छी and caused great difficulty एठी किछि यूज नहीं. सो एरर नहीं. सो आइदर आंसर नो एरर हबो नहले ऑप्शन बी many rivers overflew their banks. Okay so what will be the error part? Okay the error part is hidden in option B, that is many rivers overflew. एठी overflew हबनी. जेतोल आमे आसे पानी आसे आमे कहूने कि वाटर ओवरफ्लो हो गला ओवरफ्लो. ओके so the correct answer should be the rivers overflowed. FLOWED. ओके ओवरफ्लोड देयर बैंक्स कूल लंघन कला. ओके उछुली पड़ा कूल लंघन करवा से क्षेत्र में यूज हुए. ओके वर्षा दिने कौन है अनेक गुड़े नदी कूल लंघन कला. ओके सो ओवरफ्लोड शुड बी देयर. सो मूव ऑन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. फेल्यूर मस्ट नॉट हैव परमानेंट अफेक्ट ऑन ए पर्सन बिकॉज ओनली द tough survives. Okay so what does it mean? Where is the error part? failure must not have permanent effect on a person. So look at this option B here, permanent effect. So affect is a verb, okay? So how a verb can be used here? Okay, a noun should be there, permanent affect. This is the wrong part. So here permanent effect would be the right answer, okay? So the failure must have permanent effect. Effect माने कौन ना प्रभाव बा परिणाम. affect माने कौन ना गोटे verb सेटा प्रभाव पकाइबा. सो एटी verb रो यूज हेई परिबनी, एटी noun रो यूज ही हबो, permanent effect. Okay, so move on to the question number 7. He lay his luggage aside and lay down to take rest for a while. I have already told you. देखंतु he lay his luggage, गोटे रफली आम बुझा से लगेजटा को रखिला aside ता पाखरे and lay down माने सोई पड़ला कि विश्राम नेला टू रेस्ट फॉर ए व्हाइल, किसी समय से विश्राम नेला पड़ी कि माने एमती सोई पड़ी कि किसी समय विश्राम नेला. सो व्हेयर इज द एरर पार्ट? ही ले हिज लगेज. से कौन कहूँ ले हिज लगेज. सो आई हैव फॉरगॉटन टू टेल यू वन थिंग. ले, यूज ऑफ ले, LAY, okay? So first lay, that means to put something horizontally, okay? To put something horizontally, okay? So what will be the past form of this lay? That is laid, okay? Laid, same meaning. Lay means also अंडा देबा, okay? The hen laid 2 eggs, okay? कहते कुकुड़ा 2टा अंडा देला. सो आर पास्ट फॉर्म भी हम लेड, लेड भी हो पार. सो ले, लेड, लेड बोथ हाव सेम स्पेलिंग बट डिफरेंट मीनिंग. गोटे मीनिंग हो पार गोटे टू प्लेस ए समथिंग हॉराइजेंटली, सेटा को ले कहुब. कुकुड़ा भी जदि किसी अंडा देबा ताकू भी ले कहुब. तार पास्ट फॉर्म लेड, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल भी लेड. So here the answer should be he laid, okay? He laid, laid should be there. He laid, laid past form of laid, LAID, okay? So he laid his luggage aside and lay down. Lay down ठीक अच्छी कहीं लाई रो past tense होची lay, okay? इटा ठीक अच्छी second part टा किंतु first part रे error अच्छी. He laid his luggage, okay? Move to the next question. That is question number 8, okay? So when calamity fell the village, they faced it bravely. Option D, no error. So what will be the answer? When calamity fell the village, ଯେତେବେଳେ ବିପର୍ଯ୍ୟୟ ପଡ଼ିଲା, they faced it bravely. ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ କଲେ ନା ସାହସିକତାର ସହିତ ଏହାର ସାମ୍ନା କଲେ. So find out the error part. So I like to say the error part is hidden in option A, okay? When the calamity fell. So calamity fell माने कौन पड़िला ऊपर पड़िला कुछ. So here the answer will be the when the calamity befell, BEFELL. So you have to practice a lot in order to get the mastery over this error detection part, because this is the soul of grammar, okay? So you have to know many rules of grammar to get mastery over it. So the answer should be befell, okay? When calamity befell the village means when calamity approached, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସିଲା, to happen, okay? ଯଦି ଦୁର୍ଭାଗ୍ୟବଶତଃ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଘଟେ ତାକୁ କହନ୍ତି befell. They faced it bravely, okay? Everything is correct except this. Move to the next question. That is question number 9, okay? The assassin was convicted and ordered to be hung, okay? So try to find out the answer. The assassin was convicted, ताकू दोषी साब्यस्त करागला and ordered to be hung. So here the error part is in option C, to be hung हबनी assassin ମାନେ ସେ ଦୋଷୀ ସାବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହେଇଛି ମାନେ ତାକୁ କ'ଣ ଦିଆଯିବ, फांसी दिज्व। ओके फांसी दिज्व माने टू बी हंग हुए, टू बी हैंग्ड। ओके टू बी हैंग्ड हम। ओके सो हियर द एरर इज इन ऑप्शन सी। मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। इफ आई लीव नाउ आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू रिटर्न बैक बिफोर 9 PM। ओके सो व्हाट डज इट मीन? इफ आई लीव नाउ, जदि मुझे जाए, आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू रिटर्न बैक, मुझे फेरबी बिफोर 9 PM, 9टा पूर्वर मुझे फेरबी ना। ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज नो एरर। सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? सो फ्रेंड्स रिमेंबर, इफ आई लीव नाउ ठीक अच्छी, आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू, ये रिटर्न बैक हेनी। ओके रिटर्न माने तो फेरिबा, रिटर्न पाखे के बैक बसबनी। सो बैक शुड नॉट बी यूज्ड हियर। यू कैन राइट कम बैक बट यू शुड नॉट यूज रिटर्न बैक। ओके केबे रिटर्न बैक जोटी थी सेटा को से सेंटेंसटा एरर ही हम। सो बैकटा को हटे दबा, ओनली रिटर्नटा को ही रखा। इफ आई लीव नाउ आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू रिटर्न बिफोर 9 PM। ओके सो ये खाली रिटर्न ही हम, बैक हटो, बैक रही। सो द एरर इज इन ऑप्शन सी। ओके मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 11। बीइंग इम्प्लिकेटेड इन ए मर्डर केस। ओके गोटे मर्डर केस रे जड़ित होइकी कौन है, ही वाज कनक्लूसिवली सस्पेक्टेड फॉर ऑल द अनसॉल्व्ड मर्डर केसेस। ऑप्शन डी, नो एरर। ओके गोटे मर्डर केस रे से जड़ित होइची, ही वाज कनक्लूसिवली सस्पेक्टेड, ताको माने संदेह करा जाउची फॉर ऑल दी अनसॉल्व्ड मर्डर केसेस। जो मर्डर केस रा समाधान आज पर्यंत है नहीं, सब मर्डर केस रे तार हाथ अच्छी बोली ताको माने कनक्लूसिवली सस्पेक्टेड। व्हाट डज इट मीन कनक्लूसिवली सस्पेक्टेड? सो फाइंड आउट द एरर पार्ट। ओके द एरर इज इन ऑप्शन बी, कनक्लूसिवली सस्पेक्टेड। कनक्लूसिव माने कनक्लूजन में पहुँचले। ओके सो जो आम कनक्लूजन में पहुँची जाउछंती देन सस्पेक्ट कौन पाई करिवा? ओके सो conclusively should not be used here। okay so we should not use conclusively, only he was suspected। okay so the error is in option B। move to the next question, that is question number 12। when I was young I can run faster than Mohan। okay when I was young, जेतेबेले मु युवक थिली, I can run faster than Mohan। so here there is past tense, I was। so do you think in the second part present tense will be used? No। so here the answer should be I could। okay so the answer should be I could। okay when I was young I could run faster than Mohan। so the error is in option B। move to the next question, that is question number 13। Horace needs not come here as it is getting dark। okay Horace needs not come here as it is getting dark। okay so what will be the answer? First read the question and give your answer। okay Horace needs not, so doesn't it seems to be unusual? Horace needs not, what does it mean needs not? so remember, so here need is a modal। okay it is not a main verb, so need not should be used here, it should not be needs not। Horace need not come here as it is getting dark। okay so it need not use होगा कथा, needs not use होबनी, need not use होगा कथा, needs not, this is absolutely wrong। okay so the error is in option A, it is clearly visible। move to the next question, he dare not to go there, no error। okay this is very important question, sometimes it can put you in confusion। okay so what happens? option A, he dare not to go there। okay so find out the error। the error is in option A। okay the error is in option A, sorry the error is in option B, he dare not to go there. Okay, why? Because if dare is used in a negative sentence, जदि dare गोटे negative sentence रे use होची देखंतु he dare not to, so एठी गोटे negative not लागिला. So जदि dare गोटे negative sentence रे use होची, not is followed by bare infinitive, not is followed, so it is not followed by a bare infinitive, not is followed by a bare infinitive. So what is bare infinitive? Bare infinitive माने to लागिबनी. ओके इनफिनिटिव केस रे टू यूज हबो बट बेयर इनफिनिटिव केस रे टू यूज हबनी. सो ही डेयर नॉट गो देयर ओनली हबो, टू रो यूज हबनी. ओके सो जदि डेयर नीड ये सब रोची देन नेगेटिव केस रे सो वी शुड नॉट यूज द इनफिनिटिव दैट इज टू हियर. ओके सो ये टू यूज हबनी, ओनली ही डेयर नॉट गो देयर. ओके सो द एरर इज इन ऑप्शन बी. मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. That is question number 15. I used to play cricket when I was 10 years old. Okay, so look at this sentence. Okay, read it and try to understand the meaning. I used to play hockey when I was 10 years old. So here this is the past tense. When I was 10 years old, ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ 10 ବର୍ଷର ଥିଲି, I used to, so this part seems to be unusual. I used to should not be there. I used to. Okay. I used to. Okay. I used to play cricket when I was 10 years old. Clear? So the error is in option A. Move to the next question, that is question number 16. A soldier could fight for his country and save his country's honor. Option D, no error. So what will be the answer? Okay, a soldier could fight for his country and save his country's honor. So soldier could fight, so a soldier for his country and save his country's honor, this is absolutely okay. So here doubt arises, so a soldier could fight should not be used. Okay, गोटे सैनिक ता निज देश ପାଇଁ लड़िबा उचित. ओके ओके he must fight, so it could fight हबनी, he must fight, he must fight, से निश्चिंत लड़िबो for his country. Okay, so in other words we can say a soldier ought to fight. This will be also a right answer. Ought to fight, ought to. So what does it mean, ought to? So ought to is generally used for moral obligation or duty. If you will consider some moral duty माने नैतिकता, मोर देश ପାଇଁ कर्तव्य, गोटे सोल्जर कर्तव्य होची से देश ପାଇଁ लड़िबो, ought to जोठी यूज हबो सेठी हमें ए केस रे ought to भी यूज करि परिबा, बट could fight this is not correct. So this is not correct. Okay, so this is the wrong part. So wrong part is in option B. Move to the next question, that is question number 17. I would rather die than beg. No error. ମୁଁ ମରିଯିବି ପଛେ ଭିକ୍ଷାବୃତ୍ତି କରିବି ନାହିଁ, ତା ମାନେ କ'ଣ? I would rather die. So friends remember, rather ପାଖରେ ସବୁବେଳେ than ବସେ. Okay, rather than. I would rather die than ଅଛି ଏଟେ. So this is the wrong option. Okay, so here the answer should be rather than. rather ଅଛି ମାନେ so ଏଠି than ହବା କଥା, THAN. Okay, rather than. Okay, so the error is in option C. So move to the next question, that is question number 18. Okay, run fast least you will miss the train. No error. This is very important question and most often it puts students in confusion. Okay, so run fast least you will miss the train. So when least is used, okay, when least is used, if you see least, so least is followed by should always. Okay, run fast least you will habani, you should. This is try to remember this. Okay, run fast least you should miss the train habo eta. So error is in option C, you will habani, you should miss the train. Okay, move to the next question, that is question number 19. he hoped that he will pass the exam with flying colors. Okay, से आशा करथिला कि से बहुत भल नंबर रखी परीक्षा रे कोन करबो उत्तीर्ण हबो. Okay, he hoped. Look at this, he hoped. Here is the past tense, that this is the conditional clause. He will pass the exam with flying colors. Okay, so look at this. In option B it seems to be unusual. Okay, so he hoped that he will should not be there. Okay, because in first part past tense is used, so after that this must be past. Okay, so would, he would. Okay, he hoped that he would pass the exam with flying colors. Okay, so the error is in option B. Move to the next question, that is question number 20. You need to work hard, but you need not to waste time on important lessons. Okay, I have already told you. Okay, so this is the same question like there. You need to work hard, this is absolutely fine, but you need not to waste time on unimportant lessons. So ମୁଁ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ କହିଛି କି ଯଦି need not ଲାଗୁଛି, need ପାଖରେ not ଲାଗୁଛି in a negative sentence. Okay, need is always followed by a bare infinitive. What does it mean bare infinitive? ମାନେ to ର ୟୁଜ୍ ହବ ନାହିଁ. bare infinitive ମାନେ to ୟୁଜ୍ ହବ ନାହିଁ. so ଏଠି ଆମେ to ଟାକୁ omit କରିଦେବା totally. Okay, so you need to work hard but you need not waste time on unimportant lessons, so to should not be used, so that's why error is in option C. So move to the next question, that is question number 21. The old lady prayed that he may live long. Okay, वृद्धा लोकटी कौन कला ना प्रार्थना कला भगवान को that he may live long. Okay, so एठी कौन हबा आंसर? सो एठी आंसर हबो कि एठी हमर कौन अछि ना प्रेड अछि, दैट इज पास्ट. सो एठी मे हेबो नाही, सो मेरे पास्ट दैट इज माइट शुड बी यूज्ड. ओके, सो द ओल्ड लेडी प्रेड दैट he might live long. Okay, so he might live long, might have answer. So the error is in that is in option C. Move to the next question, that is question number 22. Rama must not to have treated his ministers like that. Okay, so it must achi same Rama must not, so गोटे नेगेटिव सेंटेंस must not, so must not अच्छी माने this must be followed by bare infinitive. Okay, so to should be removed from here. Okay, to रहिबनी. need, dare, must ए सब केस रे जति गोटे नेगेटिव सेंटेंस थिबो, ओके सेठी हम कोन करबा ना टू टा को हटेई दबा, टू रे यूज हबनी. ओके, he need not go there. Okay, Rama must not have treated. Okay, must not to haba nahi, so the error is in option A. Clear? Move to the next question, that is question number 23. Waste material should be recycled if possible. Okay, option D, no error. Okay, waste material should be recycled, so the error is clearly visible here. Waste material nothing to do, should be recycled, should be done. Okay, it should be done, so here recycle should be used in the past participle form, so it should be recycled habo. Okay, so it should be recycled haba katha, as B is always followed by past participle here, so the error is in option B. Okay, recycled haba katha, recycled haba katha. recycled माने पुनः नवीकरण करिया. ओके, जेमती प्लास्टिक रिसाइकल्ड होची सेमती. ओके, मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. द पुलिस थिंक दैट ही मे बी देयर yesterday at the scene of crime. ओके, ऑप्शन डी, नो एरर. पुलिस कौन भाबुची? ही मे बी देयर, से इनवॉल्व थाई पारे yesterday गतकालीर क्राइम रे ओके गतकालीर क्राइम रे से इन्वॉल्व थाई पारे बोली पुलिस भाबुची सो yesterday is there this is the past tense he may be there this is absolutely wrong so here the answer should be he might be there he might be there okay so here the error is in option B clear move to the next question that is question number 25th he may live long his sad mother prayed okay so एठी गोटे प्रे अच्छी गोटे माँ प्रे करुच्ची ता पुओ पाई so he may live long his sad mother prayed option D no error so what will be the answer here so in case if you we use we see pray like sentence so you should use may he live long he may live long टा absolutely wrong हबो may he live long हबो may God bless you आमे कहि परिबानी God may bless you आमे कहू कि may God bless you so here the answer should be may he live long may he live long okay may he live long clear move to the the error is in option A move to the next question that is question number 26 he returned the purse though he could keep it very easily okay से कौन कला ना पर्स टी को फेरई देला जदियो he could keep it very easily आमे जो रफली ता मीनिंग बुझिबा से पर्स टा को फेरई देला जदियो से पर्स टा को ता पाखे रखि पारि थांता से चाहिदिले से पर्स टा को रखि पारि थांता बट से मोरालिटी दृष्टि रु पर्स टी को फेरई देछि so what should be the answer according to you he returned the purse though he could keep it very easily so here the error is in option B so let me explain से कौच he returned the purse से पर्स टू फेरे देला though he could हबन he could have kept रखि पारि थांता could have kept okay he could have kept it very easily so the error is in option B clear move to the next question that is question number 27 when you were young you ought to learn good habits no error so it error को part रे अछि when you were wrong so nothing to do with this line you ought to learn good habits ଯେତେବେଳେ ତୁମେ ଯୁବକ ଥିଲ ତୁମକୁ କିଛି ଭଲ ଜିନିଷ ଭଲ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ ଶିଖିବାର ଥିଲା ଓକେ ଶିଖିବାର ଥିଲା ମାନେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତୁମ ପାଖରେ ସେ ସବୁ କ୍ୱାଲିଟି ନାହିଁ ତୁମକୁ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଶିଖିବାର ଥିଲା ସୋ ହିୟର ଦ ଆନ୍ସର ସୁଡ୍ ବି when you were young you ought to have learned okay ought to have learned good habits okay ought to have learned ought to have learned okay शिखिबार थिला so the error is in option B ought to learn हबनी ought to have learned हबो move to the next question that is question number 28 okay if you get good marks I shall happy as much as you no error okay try to find out this the error of this question if you get good marks जदि तुमे भलो नंबर रखुछ क्लियर किछि असुविधा नै क्वेश्चन में I shall happy as much as you no error मु खुशी हेबी तुम बरी मु भी खुशी हेबी ओके तुमठो अधिक मु खुशी हेबी ता अर्थ कोन हबो ना इफ यू गेट गुड मार्क्स ठीक अछि I shall happy हबनी हियर I shall be happy हबो I shall be okay so I shall be happy हबो एठी I shall happy totally wrong है जीवो ठीक अछि move to the next question that is question number 29 it is very cold here I should bring my woolen clothes but I did not से कौन कहूची क्वेश्चन it is very cold here एठी बहुत जोर से ठंडा होची I should bring my own clothes but I did not यदि हम रफली मीनिंग बुझिबा से कौन कहूची ना एठी बहुत जोर से ठंडा होची मु मोर जो ଉଲ୍ର କପଡ଼ା ଅଛି ତାକୁ ଆଣିଥିଲେ ଭଲ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା, ବଟ୍ ମୁଁ ଆଣି ନାହିଁ, ଆଣିବାର ଥିଲା। ସୋ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ସୁଡ୍ ବି ଦ ଆନ୍ସର୍? It is very cold here. I should have brought. Okay. I should have brought. I should have brought. Okay. So the answer, the option B is the error part. I should have brought habo. I should bring haboni. My woolen clothes, but I did not. Se ani nahi jehetu I should have brought habo. Move on to the today's last question, that is question number 30. Okay, I think the news might true. So what will the answer? I think mu bhabuchi the news. This is absolutely okay. Might true. Option D, no error. So the error is in option C. So the answer should be might be true. Might be true. Okay. So this is all about today's question answer session. Okay. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it, share it, and press the bell icon for regular updates. I think this session will help you a lot. Thank you so much for joining. Thanks a lot.